Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be collabing with Drape Fit, as you guys can see on the packaging of the box. Now they sent me this box to review and share my thoughts on. So what you need to know about Drape Fit before we get into this video is, one, that every box is curated by a style quiz. So what I had to do was take a style quiz. I will try to see if I can link it on the side, but it's very self-explanatory. You go through the style quiz, they ask you what your size is. So whether it be is what's your size that you wear in shirts, what size that you wear in pants, dresses, shoes, pretty much all the basic accessories. Number two is, for your box curated items, you pay $20 styling fee for your stylist to choose stuff based on what you select in your quiz. For example, for me, they would, for the dresses, I think I had to select, I found like pictures of stuff that I would generally wear, like patterns, and posted it on there so that they can have an idea of, the stylist could have an idea of what I personally like. That was number two. And number three, also, as you get your box, when you get it shipped to you, you try on everything and then you decide if you like them all, then you keep them all, and then you save 25% on your purchase. Meaning, after you've gotten all your stuff, then you have to pay another fee for the products that you decide to choose. Now, if, for example, there's something that you don't like, you can send it back without any problems. They'll give you the thing to return it back if you didn't like an item that you tried. This box, again, is a subscription box, if I didn't say that at first. So meaning, if you use a subscription box, you know how that works. It can be monthly, quarterly, depending on the subscription service. This box is monthly or quarterly. It's your choice, or you can skip, or you can cancel at any time if you no longer want to be part of Drape Fit. I think that covers everything. So we're gonna go ahead and open the box. Now I kind of glanced at what I was getting when I went back into my profile, but we're gonna see what they look like, because yeah, for packaging purposes, I just want to show you guys what the wrap looks like. So it does say Drape Fit on it, and it says we do best fit, and then it just has like different things. I do like the packaging, it's really cute. So we're just gonna go ahead and take this out of the box, and I'm gonna show. Before we get into the clothes, I see there's some stuff here. So first, says Drape Fit, we do best fit, a personal styling services company. And let's just look inside. Just want to see what's inside here. It is just, alright, so inside here they actually told me what the names of the items are. I'll leave, just to save us time from me looking back and forth, I will leave the names and everything on like the bottom of the screen as I'm talking through each item, so that you guys know what they are, as well as the prices, just to save some time, because I think I'm going to talk more about the items, and I can just write this down for you guys and type it. So that's actually perfect that I got this. They gave me a little thing with all the names of the stuff and the prices of everything for each product. And what is this? And then here the stylist actually put a personalized thing, so they were just saying what they picked out and how they think each outfit would go. So that's also another thing that the stylist put in here. And I saw, I think, one more thing in this thing. Hold on, give me 1 second. Okay. I received a gift card, and this is just information that I already told you guys about. The free shipping. Oh, if I didn't tell you that as well, it's free shipping on your, once you select all the items that you want in your style box. So I think I covered all of that. And then this is just the bag to return whatever you don't like back to them. They give you already the bag with your, obviously for purposes of not showing my address, I'm not turning it around, but they do have the label already stuck on it, which is actually great because then you don't have to print the label. So let's get into the items. It's easier for me to show you each item. But just to show you guys like this, so these are all the items. I think I got 5 items. So we're gonna go with this first. I think I'm just gonna put it to the side of me. This is a dress. I think this was in 1W, but it actually works. I think it's 1W. Let me see. Yeah, sorry, 1W. Sorry, 1X. This is the lady sleeveless A-line dress with pockets. I am pockets girl. And the color is in fuchsia. I will have a side, you know, view thing for you guys, so you guys can see me actually wearing the products, but I just want to do the initial unboxing and everything. But this is the first dress. Hope you guys can see it. Like I said, I'll have a side view so you guys can see more up close. I have a dress very similar to this, so this is very much my style. I will say the styles did good with this one. I would definitely wear this. Like I said, it has the pockets on the side, so right here, as you guys can see, you can put your hand in here. This is the pocket. It's a pretty decent pocket. I would say, could it hold your phone? Maybe, but it's not as deep. But probably if you want to put a lip gloss or something, you could put it in there. But yeah, this would definitely fit me, and I feel like also I was a little iffy about it being 1X, but I do have some stuff 1X. It kind of just depends on what it is. But this is good because it's flowy too. I could definitely wear this. I feel like, well, summer's slowly going down, but this I could definitely wear like tomorrow, for example, because it's going to be hot to work. I don't know if I'm going to wear a dress, but this is perfect. It's good length too. It's not too long and it's not too short. So yeah, that's the first dress. The outfit is a top, I think. Yes, it is a top. It's a purple top, and it's a roly-poly collared blouse with gold pocket. The color lavender, but that's my favorite color. This is in a large. Now, I'm not too sure if this is going to fit me, but it has like these zippers in the front. I have something similar. I wouldn't say that it's off-brand for my style, but I wouldn't really wear this. The only place I think I would wear this personally is to like maybe church, but like going out with the outfit, I don't know how I would really pair this. Like I wouldn't normally wear something like this personally. If it doesn't fit though, because it looks like it's going to be a little tight because I'm, you know, chest heavy, I actually might give this to my mom because she might actually like this instead of returning it if it doesn't fit for me. If it does fit me, I can definitely use this as a blouse coming into the fall for church. That's where I foresee me wearing it. But as a regular casual day, no, I don't see me wearing it. But as you guys can see, this is the zippers. And then the sides have like buttons. I do have tops like this with the buttons on the side. So this is mostly my style. But maybe I would have outdo the zippers. Pair of jeans. These jeans are butter denim jeans. They're crop skinny. And they did ask me what type of jeans. They had like, I think maybe 6 different options of what type of jeans you like. So that's also to note. I did get to select that as well. These are butter denim crop skinny. They feel just go like this. They feel really stretchy, which I like. I don't like sometimes when my jeans is like sucking me in. These are the 1822 Mojava. I think I said that right. Capri with slide slits on the bottom, and they're light blue 16W. I do wear 16 jeans for reference. But they do look like they're fit. They're capri, so they go like maybe, like right here. This is also something I could wear now too because it's capri, but it's still pretty long, just judging on like from me looking at it now. But again, I have to try them on. This is the front. This is the back. Prata, or the next outfit I got. This I would definitely wear for church as well. I feel like this is a good top for now because it's still pretty hot. This is the Moto Shop, right? The solid ruffle mock neck sleeveless blouse, large 10 to 12, which is normally a large. For me, it varies on the shirt. Like when it's a shirt like this, I'm fine. I can tell it's gonna fit because it has some type of flow to it. This is what it is. It's just the front, a little ruching. I would definitely wear this. This is definitely on my style. I actually have a shirt quite similar to this. So this one definitely like as well. lastly, I got another pair of pants. These are actually red. I would not necessarily wear red pants because for me, I'm kind of thinking, where exactly would I wear it type of thing. I think it can be wearable. I'm not saying that it can't be wearable. I can definitely foresee me wearing this during my birthday time because it's Christmassy. This would work because it's red pants. So actually, I could wear this during Christmas. But other than like Christmas time, I wouldn't really foresee me wearing this on a regular. I feel like this is good like you got a holiday party or something at your job, or this holiday, like I work in education, so there's always like during the holidays there might be, oh, wear this or do this. This would be perfect for that. So these are red. This is the size 1XL, but it says 14W to 16W. That's the range. And it says plus size high waist solid stretch jeans pants. They do look stretchy. I like how, like, I don't know if you guys can see that. You know how like some jeans you wear and like you can't really do this with it? These kind of like, I can actually like stretch. I don't know how, like the waist, it feels stretchy. I don't know how to explain it to you guys. It doesn't feel like just your average jeans, you know what I mean? This is the front of them and this is the back. Of course, once again, I will be, just to reiterate, I'm a large normally in tops. I can be an extra large. It really depends on how tight the top, how tight fitting the shirt is, honestly. But generally, sometimes when I get extra large, it's way too big. So generally, I do wear large in tops. Bottoms, I'm extra large if it's like sweatpants, stuff like that, or 16 is my like jean size. And then, did I cover everything? And then dresses, it really varies, but I feel like I'm a 12, 14, depends on the dress, or extra large. So yeah, that is a reference. I will come back and give you my final results once I try out everything. These are just my initial results on how the styles did with choosing the clothing areas. The clothing items. So I'll come back, let you know my overall review after I try on the items. Hopefully you guys can see me. So I totally forgot to do an outro, but let me keep it real. Like, if you want a content creator or not, I'm gonna keep it honest, collab or not. And I feel like this wasn't really a collab, and it's my fault. This is why it's very important to read everything in the email. I missed that one little piece that I didn't see, and now I had to end up paying $110 for clothing that I could have gotten way cheaper in Marshall's. So, and honestly, and I was gonna go back and forth, but what I realized is it did say it in the email, but it wasn't explicit on the fact that you had to pay it. It's the wording that they use. That's number one. So I didn't even realize it. That was number one. But number two, also, had I not taken the tags, I would have put them all back and returned them. But I took off the tags on 4 of the items that actually fit. So that was my bad because I didn't think about, oh, let me check. So there is an account, like I said. And it does list costs, but I assumed if this was an influencer box that the first box was going to be a free box. I understand like next coming boxes, then okay, they charge you for whatever you keep, because like I said, whatever you keep, pretty much they charge you a fee for those items. But I assumed as an influencer that first box would be free. Not the case. And this is why I don't do collabs with brands that ask me to pay for anything. So this one, they caught me this time. I didn't realize, but I'm sorry. I just like, again, I will leave a coupon code if you guys are interested in it. If you want to pay for Style Box, if maybe you don't have good quality clothing by where your areas, but I really know I can go to any other store like Marshall's, Burlington, TJ Maxx, and I've gotten some of these items that I got for less. Like those jeans, $35. I spent like $15 on jeans if I go to Marshall's. Maybe 25, 20 the most. And then like some of these, like a top for like $28.99. Also, like, this is also another thing that I didn't realize I didn't do. I did look on the website, but I never went to the frequently asked questions, because in the frequently asked questions they say like most of their clothing is $60 and up. Had I saw that, I would have just not even responded to doing this whole thing. But I already did it. So like I said, if you guys are interested, I will leave a coupon code. But for me personally, if I was a consumer looking from the outside in, I personally would not use the Drape Fit vest. Now, I've seen other influencers, I've seen other content creators, I should say, who've done videos and they're continuing to purchase from Drape Fit because they like it. Then that's kudos to them. They probably like the clothing and stuff and they're okay with paying it. Me personally, I'm not okay with paying stuff if I'm gonna be a content creator. A lot of the brand deals, mostly when I get content, they ask me to do content, they're giving it to me for free. I'm not paying out of my pocket. I feel like as a content creator, small, big, it doesn't matter. Nobody should ever be paying for anything out of pocket when you are coming to the person to give you free exposure. I shouldn't have to be paying to give you free exposure, if you know what I'm saying. The time that I have to take. So that is the only thing I would say about this box. I'm also trying to cancel it currently, but I think because it's still in return window, it's not letting me cancel it. You get, that's something else I forgot to mention, you get 5 days to return. So I counted it. I got this package on Friday, so I would have till Thursday because Saturday and Sunday didn't count because it was a weekend. So I'm returning. Unfortunately can only return the red pants that didn't fit me, but the other ones I have to keep because I took off the tags on it, which I don't know what I was thinking about. And also, like I said, had I known that, I would have just returned all 5 items, because they pretty much won't take it back now because I took off all the tags. And what else? There was something else I was gonna say though. I forgot. I said the 5-day thing. I think that was pretty much it. But yeah, I'm a tad bit upset about having to pay $110 because I think that is just not worth it. And I know that I'm not the only one who pays this amount of money because, like I said, a regular customer or some influencers. I don't like calling myself an influencer because I don't feel like I am an influencer, but I'm not. I feel like I like to call myself a content creator because I sit and I actually make content. Not everything I create is curated by collabs. I do collabs, but a lot of my content is content curated by me. Do I give brands free promo, like brands that I generally like? Yes, but collabs, that's different. Yes, but I always say to be very cautious about that. I've always talked about that, and here I am not being cautious this time around of brands that are making you pay for things. I understand this is a brand. I don't want to speak down about the brand. Like I said, it's a good subscription box service if you're okay with paying that price range. You get what I'm saying? But for me, I would not pay that price range. So it's not a good fit for me. And going forward, I would not use this subscription box personally. That's all I have to say. So yeah. But anyway, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, and subscribe button so you're notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.